Good morning. Yesterday I'm looking for shade because it's hot, and this morning I've got long sleeves on because it's cold. It's chilly, not cold. It's just a little chilly for short sleeves, and I got shorts on. So the sun's just now coming up over the mountain. Yeah, it's really bright. I'm gonna get down on the ground, do some stretching. Some not into what the yoga poses are and all that stuff yet, but I'm just gonna do some stretching and call it yoga. You gonna do some yoga, Sammy? Huh? You gonna do some yoga? Oh. You gonna do some stretches? She says, okay, let's do some stretches. Let's do some stretches. Can you do a doggy down pose? Can you do a doggy down pose? Somebody asked in, I guess, my last video. I haven't read all the comments this morning yet. But if I can take Sammy off the leash, would she stay around? And she does. But we follow the rules, right? We follow the rules. We follow the laws, don't we? Yeah. All doggies on leash all the time. Yes. That's right, isn't it? Yeah. In doggy down pose. Doggy down pose. Oh, goodness. This is my favorite part about yoga. This is my favorite part. I should get down on, well, I'm going to. I should have been doing this all along, huh? We'll get some good lovings. Yeah. Oh, gosh. It's so tight. So tight. My muscles are so tight. Oh, there we go. Good girl. You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh, goodness. She says, rub my belly. Rub my belly. She says this is my favorite yoga pose. Breakfast this morning is cottage cheese with turmeric and pepper, half a Roma tomato, salt and pepper, half a banana, hi bee, and a couple of pieces of bacon, and the rest of my carrot juice. That is all of that. All right. I want to know if you like salty on cottage cheese. Of course, you gotta like cottage cheese. Or do you like fruit? So, like, I guess this is acidy and salt and pepper versus fruit. I like both, but my preferred method is with tomatoes. How about y'all? Put in the comments below. Good morning again. Alright. I gotta go dump and get water. It's a weekly thing. Yeah. Ugh. Gotta get that done this morning. Oh, shoot. I just ran over my light. Why can I not remember that? Dang it. Those lights are expensive. I need a sign right here on my window. So I put lights underneath the van and my truck engine to hopefully deter rodents. And that's probably in all my, there's solar lights. I'll show you a picture. But in all my travels, all these years, that's probably the 5th one, 6th one. I've already done 2. That's my 2nd one since I've been here. Those things, I mean, at Walmart, I think they're a 2-pack. I'll have to look. I need to look on Amazon. I could probably get them cheaper. But I put one on the side and then one in the front And I always put it on this side, so when I walk around, when I'm doing my walk around, that I remember to get it out from under there. I'm gonna put me a sign. Just a sticky note. Well, the sticky note will probably fall off. I need something. Ugh, those things are expensive. They're like $15 a piece or something. Huh, Sammy? You see the kitty? There's a kitty over there. Yeah. Where was I? Oh, I gotta go dump and get water. This is a weekly thing. Somebody needs to air up their airbags anytime I'm squeaking. Yeah. Oh, well. That just makes me sick. Oh well, get over it. I will get on Amazon today and order me some. I bet they don't have them at the Walmart in town. Well, they might. I don't know. Here we go. Here we go, Sammy. Alright, I got that done. I do need to go. What is it, every 3 days, 4 days? I need to go get Sammy food. Yeah. I might go to Walmart next week. But I still think it's cheaper. Well, it is cheaper to buy it here. Oh, it's hot already. 8:53 and it's already hot. Yep, doesn't take long. That sun comes out. We're so much closer to the sun. It gets hot fast. I was gonna take the truck to Angel Fire, but I think I will not do that. And take the van. Take the van, man. Yeah, I'll go get some. So I have to get Sammy's food because it's frozen, so I have to get it like a day or two earlier than I need to cook it and put it in the refrigerator so it'll defrost. And it's just the issue of having small refrigerators and small freezers. Of course, my freezer's packed. I'm trying to work through it. I'm trying. Yeah, I need to thaw out some hamburger meat and have some taco. Oh, today's Friday is the farmer's market here. The vegetable guy's here. But I don't see anybody else setting up. I'd buy hamburger meat. I've got hamburger meat in the freezer, but I would buy hamburger meat. There's Gail. Hi, Gail. Maybe I'll stop by there on the way back. Alright. It's funny being in a little town, and yesterday I was at Angel's Attic, and of course it's packed, and I ran into Charlie and Diane. I ran into Charlie, and then another couple I met in the museum. I didn't get their names. I should have asked her name. And so it's just funny because being in a little town, you run into all the, yesterday, I was going to tell y'all this. Yesterday, I went and saw Cindy, and we did something, a first for me. I don't think I've ever been. It's kind of like the first and only thing the first and only time you do something like get your driver's license. You only do that once in your life. Well, yesterday I went to the senior center and signed up because they provide meals every day. I think they ask a $3 donation, and so we did that. And you have a calendar of all the meals, and yesterday was chicken enchiladas, so we did that. And you can take it or you can sit down and eat. And so that was a first. I went to a senior center. I don't think I've ever been. Oh, I know, Sammy. So that was a first and only. Oh, my nose was itching. Does that mean I'm going to get money? No, that's when your hands itch, right? Oh, let's go pick up that broken light. I'll show you. Yeah, I crunched it pretty good. Sammy says, we're home. Doesn't take long, does it, Sammy? Don't run over it again. Okay. All right, here's the light. Crunched. But it's solar, so it has a little solar panel, and then the light comes on. It's motion detected. I know it's not going to work because I got the battery in my hand. Picked up all the pieces. Yeah. Put them in my little Finn trash can. Yeah, Finn was always had this as my trash. Well, Finn would always get in it. So now it has a little. Alright, throw this away. See if I can't find another one. I need some baggies. Oh. Baggies, baggies, baggies. Where would they be? Oh. Baggies. Uh-oh, they only have 2. Maybe she gets hamburger. 2. I just thought, I haven't been to, what's the name of that restaurant? Tatty on the Bump? I just want some chai tea, something like that. I think I'm going to go in there and get that. I'm not going to get any sandwiches or anything. Even though I know they are good. But I think I want some tea. Let's go check it out. Tatty at the Bump. Yeah. I want some tea. Iced tea. Blackberry pancake latte. Hibiscus vanilla fizz. Boy, it smells good. All right, this is a chai iced tea. Nothing frugal about this. It's like going to Starbucks. $6 for iced tea. It is good though. Well, I won't do that again. I splurged, but it's good. I was thirsty for something different. Yum. Remember when you could buy a steak for $6? Yeah, I do. You can't even buy a drink for $6 now. This is my snack here today at the museum. Let's see. I have some rice, sliced cucumber, sliced avocado, and crab salad. Rob's got me hooked on this from Lowe's Market. It is so good. So, what is this? It is a deconstructed sushi plate. It's not a sushi bowl. So I'm gonna make me a little sushi flat, a little sushi taco. Yeah. Isn't that everything you need for a California roll? That right there. All right, let's see. I will make it, construct it, and then I'll show you what it looks like. All right, there it is. Little avocado, the little nori got soggy. I need to do it in a different plate. Oh, you know what's missing? Soy sauce. I forgot to bring soy sauce. Oh man, I have one of them little packets. Wonder if I can run out there real fast and get it. It's not too bad. It'd be better with soy sauce. Alright. Let's see, I think that last one I did a little bit of crab salad, some rice, because it sticks to the crab salad better. A little bit of avocado. Better to hold it than lay it down because it gets soggy. A little cucumber. You don't need that fancy little rolling thing. There. Doesn't really taste like sushi. I don't know why. Why is that? Because I don't have as much rice. I know what's missing. I don't know what it's called, but when I watch videos on it, they sprinkle something on it. That's probably what gives it the flavor. It's like the flavors aren't married together. It's like I can taste them separately. Something's missing. But they can only get better from here, right? I'll have to search what that spice is that they put on it. Yeah. Because I'm wanting to put salt on it. And probably because soy sauce. Anyway. Alright, I'm going to get up here.